Online marketing channels. What are and why they are so important for every company and for every business owner. Okay. In this video, this is Luca Papa, founder of Digital Coach, and in this video I will explain you how to use properly the concept of online marketing channels. Let's start with what are online marketing channels and what they are for also. First of all, they are places where you can communicate with your ideal customers. And after communicating with them, you also have the chance to interact with them. To go deeply, at the end, you get channels that help you to make your customer aware of your existence. Your channels where you can also help him to interact with you. Channels where you can inform them, and channels through which you can convert them into customers. You don't have to expect from every channel the same kind of result. Why I'm telling you that? Because many entrepreneurs, they make the mistake to have the wrong expectation from the digital marketing channels. I mean, they would like every channel to be effective in converting. It's like to produce goals. But it's not the truth, because at the end, as in a football team, in a soccer team, you need somebody to defend and somebody to to make new goals. Also, in your digital marketing activities, you need somebody to stay to help you to make the customer aware of your existence, and different channels helps you to create a good reputation online, for example, and other to help you to engage your customer in something with you. So that's why you have to choose them properly. What are the different main channels that you can consider in this kind of game? First of all, you have the search engines, where you can find the SEO channel, means the organic presence in Google. But at the same time, in Google, you also got another channel that is, for example, the SEM. Means Google Ads at the end, advertising on Google. On Google also you got also Google Shopping, and you got also Google Maps, and this is everything that you find in a search engine like Google. Then we can move to the social media marketing world, and here you find Facebook, organic and advertisement, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok, and so on. All the social media platforms where you can interact with people. That's it? No, you also have, for example, email marketing as a channel that help you to communicate with your ideal customers. But you got also affiliations, digital PR, blog post, and so on. So there are other alternatives. Now, if you understood the role of the different marketing channels, the next step is try to give to each channel the right role in your strategy. So as I told you, you have to use some channels like, for example, Google Ads to convert, but it's okay if you use also other channels like, for example, display advertising to get to know new customers, or to help new customers to know your activity, your business. So different channels, different expectations, different strategy on that channel. But in an overall strategy, in a complete digital marketing strategy, where each channel has a specific role and responsibility in your overall digital marketing and sales strategy. So, if you liked what I exposed you, and if you agree with what we shared so far, what you can do is very simple. You ask us for a free consultation here down somewhere. You will find the contact form where you can ask a free consultation, and one of our consultants will be glad to have a video call with you and try to understand your business, your activity, and to help you to focus the right priorities for you to increase your sales and marketing results, but also maybe to help you to scale up your business at the same time improve the quality of your life, because the digital marketing area is one of the main is just one piece of what you need to have a company that is able to scale up your business. So that's why we have a complete program where you can you can develop through an implementation coaching activity on a weekly basis. You can implement an entire digital marketing strategy for your company, but you can even choose to go further and to implement an entire methodology that helps you to manage the overall business and your overall life as a business owner. A methodology that is effective in increasing sales at the same time with less efforts and saving a good part of your time at the end. In the methodology, consider the fact that online marketing channels are one of the different content where we work with you to implement specific activities in your company. For example, in this case, we will help you to decide what are the right channels for your company. We'll help you to give the right role to each channel for your company, and it will help you to use the different channels in your sales and marketing funnel. If you like this approach with different focus areas but in an overall methodology through which you can manage successful your business and your life as an entrepreneur, you can ask a free consultation. We'll be glad to help you and to listen to your needs. Let's get in contact. Luca Papa for Digital Coach. Bye bye.